Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Cinae, and if you're returning, what's up, you guys? Like, y'all, I am so excited to get back into my ish, okay? To get back into this cash money stuffing, to build my funds back up, okay? So let's not even wait any longer. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are ready to join the crew and the fam. And let's go ahead and get into this cash stuffing, you guys.
Do for bankroll.
So hopping right into it, you guys, my oldies but goodies. I still carry this around, you guys. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I still swear by it, but eventually I will upgrade. I just don't know to what. So for now, we're just gonna leave it as it is. If it's not broke, don't fix it. So the first thing is gas, also transportation. And if you watch my budgeting video, you would know I did move this electronically. So I did stuff $20 in here technically electronically. So we can move on to groceries. Now groceries is getting $40. So I'm gonna go ahead and put into 20s. So I have 20 and 40. I'm just gonna go ahead and fold these up, you guys. And hopefully I do have a little bit of rollover. If not, I already know it's the baby's fault. So moving into home and personal, I am gonna go ahead and put in $20 to this. I'm just gonna take a 20, you guys. And then moving into spending. Now I also did put $20 in here, but this was also done electronically. So I don't have to physically stuff any cash in here. But I do have my handy dandy Target gift card that is still in here that I clearly have not used. And then let's see, I think, yes, I did have some little coins left. How? I don't even know. I think they were in the bottom of my purse. And then lastly is cards, you guys. But we're not going to put anything in there. So that is it for my cash envelopes. Moving right along into my primary binder is going to be my emergency funds. Like originally I did stuff this, but I went ahead and unstuffed everything so I can start from scratch, start all over, and get my mind right basically. So moving into emergency, I do plan on putting $20 in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this 20. And I do plan on putting the trackers back in. I just want to update them first. And of course, if you know, I have like my little emergency funds challenge page that I'm going to put back in here, which, you know, I just got to get back into the groove, you guys. We'll see how it goes. So moving on to savings, I am putting in $5. And then next for Baby Bop, which you guys, it is a boy. I am so excited. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, super excited. I did pick out a name already, but he's always gonna be Baby Bop to me, you guys. Like, bless his heart. Like, bless his heart. He's gonna be so grown, and I'm still gonna be like, oh, look at my little Baby Bop. But moving on right into Sparkle, my other baby, of course, and she is getting $5 as well. Now, I did want to just touch on my Baby Bop envelope is more of a savings for him. It is not to actually prepare for the baby, just like expenses and things like this. This is kind of his own money. Now, if I happen to come across needing it, then I will. But for now, this is really just his own savings. I just want him to have something as he gets older. That way, there's a place to put his money when like birthdays or holidays and stuff like that comes. Because I just want him to be a little bit more prepared than I was growing up. Let's just be honest. So moving on into medical. Medical is going to get $20. I'm going to go ahead and put into 10s. Because again, these medical bills, you guys, just for me personally, it's not even the baby. Me personally, they are just racking up, okay? And then I'm going to give myself $5. I don't know what I'm going to do with my little $5, but you know, your girl gonna figure something out, okay? And then into home, I'm also going to put $5. And then I just have my new apartment, my month ahead, and my rollover envelope back here. And eventually, you guys, we will get into those. But that is it for my primary binder. We're going to go ahead and move into my bill binder. So moving into my bill binder, you all, and please forgive me if I sound like I'm out of breath. Like, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, pregnancy has definitely had me short of breath, but we're just gonna work through it, okay? So first up is rent, and I did want you to go ahead and put extra $10 in rent just to, again, push me forward. This is not like the actual payment that I pay every month. This is more like money in addition to, so I can kind of build up to being a month ahead, or even pull from it if I find that my checks are a little short from the month. So this is just in addition to, but this isn't actually what I use or a designated area to pull my rent or any of my bill money from. And then we're moving into internet and cell phone. And I believe I want to put 5 in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put 5 in internet and cell phone. And electricity is going to get 10. Whoop, whoop. Fix yourself. And then subscriptions, I'm not going to put anything in. Car insurance, I'm not going to worry about because I do not have a car currently, but eventually I will get to a point where I do. And then I will, of course, be adding to that for the just in cases. And then rental insurance, I'm not going to worry about because that is actually about to get paid this month. And then miscellaneous is actually for my personal loan. So I am going to go ahead and put in 10 because I eventually do want to start, you know, getting that paid off as soon as possible. But for now, I just rather have the money there, and then when it's time to pay it off, I can just pull this to make extra payments. So that is it, you guys. Like, not too much, okay? Not too freaking much. But what we do have is this elephant in the room, okay? Not my doggy, okay? But this $1 bill, you guys. Like, I have no idea really where it came from, but it was still in my wallet. So guess what I'm gonna do with it? Yeah, she's back. She's back, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and put our $1 in here, and we're just gonna keep it pushing, okay? Because we already know these ones, they add up, okay? And then as far as my change, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my doggy piggy bank because this money adds up, you guys. At the end of the year, I found that I had like over $100 just from this alone. So literally, like, do not sleep on your change and your little dollar bills, okay? Because it be the money, okay? So that is it, you guys, for my first cash stuffing of October. Like, super excited, y'all, to be getting back into this. I will be posting more videos, not just on my budgeting channel, but I do have a personal channel. It is Simply Cinae. I did sleep on that channel for a while, but it will be back with more lifestyle things. If that's something you're interested in. If you are here just to see me budget, I don't take it personally, babe. So please feel free to subscribe to my budgeting channel or my personal channel, either way. But until next time, you guys, bye.